Okay, so what we have done so far, we have washed the leaves. Come on here. And right now, our next step in the process is to boil them for 1 minute. So we already have hot water behind you, and we put the hot water in, we put the leaves in. After 1 minute, we'll bring them out, and then we'll start the squeezing process. Okay, so the idea of this is very simple. So we want to have a kind of a syrup or a liquid that when you're taking tea, you can take like just two teaspoons. Because if you take too much of this thing, it can have negative effects on you. So it can actually drop your blood pressure really drastically. So moderate, a little goes a long way. So we have emptied the water, now we're squeezing out the juice. This is what we do.
We're able to get two different
strains or juices
extracts
from
the Abamuda tree.
So this one, what I want to use this one for is for teas. So this is a tea supplement.
Then this one we got it from merely squeezing the leaf. While this one we had to wash the leaf to get more chlorophyll. So the importance of the chlorophyll in this one over this one helps to increase your red blood cells and helps in weight loss.
So the idea behind this tea is that we're going to do some future tests, some future studies with different patients or clients, patients. So the ideal patient would be someone who has high blood pressure, hypertension, and we'll give them 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons with their tea. Maybe like in the hospital when they come, this will be part of their evening tea. We give them each day, and we'll keep their blood pressure under check and their blood sugar. So this guy,
this one
measurement is the same.
Probably still a teaspoon for probably people that are looking to reduce their weight and people that have anemia.
So there are other uses of miracle leaf. Many other uses, from asthma to bronchitis, all kinds of, even some people say even cancer. But this is what we figured out for now. There are future plans. For example, now we could blend these extracts. Now we're going to have to throw these away. But we could blend these, use them for more potent extracts and for more potent teas. But for now, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Azayo.
Hi, my name is Alexia.
Hi, my name is Toyo.
Hi, I'm Penyo. Hi, I'm Edo. Hi, I'm Kubo. Hi, I'm Abenda. Hi, I'm Grace. Hi, I'm Theo. Hi, I'm Praise. Hi, I'm Wu. Hi, I'm
Hi, I'm Ini.